Hello students, welcome to AJ Akshara Academy YouTube channel. Today we are discussing the question answers from CBSE class 9 chapter 8 motion 1 to 30. Here we are discussing out of 30 1 to 5. Please listen carefully and watch complete video. Let us go for question number 1. An object has moved through a distance. Can it have zero displacement? If yes, support your answer with an example. Here, object is moving through the distance. Can it have zero displacement? They are asking the question. Solution: yes, an object that has moved through a distance can have zero displacement, as displacement is the shortest distance from initial point to the final point. So, if the initial point is same as the final point, then the displacement of the object will be 0. For example, here we are discussing the example. A man is walking in a square park of length 20 meters. Here it is in the shape of a square. Side of the square is 20 meters. He starts walking from point A, and after moving along all the corners of the park, point B, C, D, he comes back to the same point. In this case, the total distance covered by the man is 20 meters, 20 meters, 20 meters and 20 meters. Total distance is 80 meters. However, the displacement is 0 because the shortest distance between initial and final position is 0. Why? Because initial point and final point is same. This is the, let us go for question number 2. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of a side 10 meters. This is in the formation of square. It is the side of the square is 10 meters. In time they given 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? 2 minutes 20 seconds means complete converting into seconds. 2 minutes 120 seconds and 20 seconds. The total time is 140 seconds. Now come to the solution. The farmer takes 40 seconds to cover 4 into 10. How much distance? 40 meters. So, speed of the farmer is equals to distance by time. 40 by 40, that is equals to 1 meters per second. In 2 minutes 20 seconds, or how many complete seconds? 140 seconds. The farmer covers 140 meters. So, number of rounds made by the farmer is 140 by 40. 3.5. 0 0 cancel, 14 by 4, it comes 3.5. So, the farmer covers 3.5 rounds of the field. That means after 2 minutes 20 seconds, the farmer will be at the opposite end of the starting point. Let us discuss case 1. Starting the motion from a corner of a field, then the displacement will be equal to the diagonal of the field. Hence, the displacement will be square root of 10 square plus 10 square, that is equals to root of 10 square 100 and this 10 square 100. 100 plus 100, root of 200. Root of 200 value 14.1 meters. Come to the case 2. Starting the motion of the middle point of any side of the field, then after 2 minutes 20 seconds, the farmer will be at the middle point of this side opposite to the starting point. So, hence the displacement is 10 meters. What is the displacement? Displacement will be 10 meters. Understood, I think. Next, go for third question. Which of the following is true for displacement? Here, they given two questions. Is the displacement is true or not? They are asking. No. Now, first one is it cannot be 0. Is it true or not true? We should discuss. First one, it cannot be 0. Is it 0? No, not true. It cannot be 0. It is not true. Why? Because displacement is 0. Displacement is shortest distance between initial point and final point. If initial and final point is same, then displacement is 0. It cannot be 0. The statement is false. So that's why it is not true. Let's come to the second one. Its magnitude is greater than the distance travelled by the object. Displacement is less than distance. That's why it is also not true. Displacement is the shortest measurable distance between the initial and final positions of an object. So, it is always smaller than or equal to the magnitude of distance travelled by the object. Come to the fourth question. Now, let us discuss the solution for fourth question. Here is a problem they given. An artificial satellite is moving in a circular orbit of radius 42,250 km. We have to calculate its speed if it takes 20 hours to revolve around the earth. Now, given radius of the circular orbit r is equals to 42,250 km. Time taken to revolve around the earth t is equals to 24 hours. We have to calculate speed. Speed is equals to distance by time. Here distance nothing but circumference of the circle. Circumference of circle is equals to 2 pi r by time t. 2 into 3.14, it is a value of pi, and radius of the circular orbit r is equals to 42,250 kilometers, and substituting all these values here, t is equals to time 24 hours. We are getting 1.105 into 10 to the power 4 kilometer per hour. Converting into meters per second, we are getting 3.069 kilometers per second. So, speed of the artificial satellite is 3.069 kilometers per second. Now, let us go for question number 5. Distinguish between speed and velocity. Rate of distance is speed. Rate of displacement is velocity, or displacement by time gives velocity. Distance by time gives speed. So, let us discuss distinguish between speed and velocity. First, come to the speed. First one, speed is the distance travelled by an object in unit time. In velocity, velocity is the displacement of an object in a given interval of time. Next, it does not have any direction. So, that is why speed is a scalar quantity and it has unique direction. So, velocity is a scalar vector quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed only gives the magnitude but no direction. Velocity mentions both magnitude and direction. So, come to the third point. The speed of the object is either positive or 0 but never negative. Here, the velocity of an object can be negative, positive or equal to 0. These are the differences between speed and velocity. Thanks for watching this video.